Heading tag is used to define the headings in the page. In this we have 6 headings like H1, H2, so on H6. These are the 6 headings we have included in heading tag. Next, coming to what HR. What is HR? Which stands for horizontal rule and is used to insert a horizontal rule. We will be using like HR. Sorry, HR. In this way we are using. It is a horizontal rule. What is HTML? HTML tag is used to define the root of the HTML or hex HTML. This is the thing. Next, I. What is I? Image. Image, which means we have to add images in the HTML in earlier times. So the web pages only contains textual content, which made them appear quite boring. If you add only text, it will be boring for the users to understand. If you add images, it can be easy to understand and show the interest for programs and an easy understanding way. So input is used within the form element, which can be declared input controls that allow users to input data. Okay. INS. What is INS? INS is typically used to range of content that has been added to the document. It is a range of content. Next, italic. What is italic? Generally used to display technical term, phrase, or any important word in the language. For any important word we use italic. Next, KBD. What is KBD? It is included in the KBD tag, typically displayed in browsers. Okay. Keygen. What is keygen? It is a tag in HTML used to specify a key pair generator. Key pair generator. Okay. Key pair generator. Okay. Next, it is a field in the form. When a form is submitted, then two keys are generated, the private key and the public key. For this we use keygen. Next, L. What is L? Label. In this we have label. Label is the user to provide the usability improvement for mouse users. For mouse users we use label. Next, list. List is used to define the list item in HTML document. It is used within the ordered list or unordered list. Okay. Next, M. What is M? In M we have main, mark and meta. What is main? Main is the user to give main information of a document. The content inside the main element should be unique for the document. Okay. Next, mark. Mark means it is used to define the marked text. It is used to highlight the part of the text. మార్క్డ్ టెక్స్ట్ అంటే మీరు ఏదైనా కోడ్ రాసినప్పుడు దాన్ని హైలైట్ చేయడానికి మనం మార్క్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, మెటా. వాట్ ఈజ్ మెటా? Meta, which means it is the tag is regularly used to give watchwords, portrayals, author data, or any other metadata. It might be utilized by paragraph to deliver the document accurately or simple words. It provides important information about the document. Okay. Next, N. Nav and Noscript. What is nav? Nav is used to declare the navigational section in HTML documents. Websites typically have sections decided to navigated links, which enables users to navigate the site. Okay. Noscript. What is Noscript? In this we have, it is used to display the text for those browsers which does not support the script tag. We use Noscript. In script also we use a script and we'll enter some information and we'll close the script. If this is not allowed or not accepted, then we use not script. Okay. Object. What is object? Object is a tag which is used to display multimedia like audio, video, images, PDFs. These are the things can be accepted in this object. Next, option. What is option? Option tag is used to choose an option from the drop down menu. From this drop down menu we have to choose one, so we use that option. Next, output. What is output? As we all know, output, which is used to represent the result of the calculation performed by the client side, and such as JavaScript. Okay. Paragraph. In P we have paragraph, param and phrase for progress. What is paragraph? Paragraph we have, which is defines a paragraph. These have both opening tags and closing tags. As I said in the introduction, it has opening tag and closing tag. Param, which means it is used to define a parameter for plugins, which is associated with object element. Next, phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is used to indicate the structural meaning of a block of text. Okay. Next, progress. What is progress? Means it is used to progress the task. It is also defined how work is done or any how much ఎంత వర్క్ అవుతుంది, ఎంత లీవ్ అయింది, we will be seeing that. Okay. Next, Q. Q is a tag which is used for quotation tag. Some quotations we'll be using, right? For those quotation tag we use Q. Next, coming to R. What is RP? RP, which means it is used to provide parenthesis around a Ruby main text. Okay. which is defines the information, and rt is the in html is used for explanation of ruby annotation, which is a small text attached to the main text. Okay. Next, coming to ruby is a html tag which is used to specify the ruby annotation, which is a smaller text. Next, s in s we have s tag which is used to specify the text content is no longer correct or accurate, and it will be no longer correct or accurate, and this tag is similar but slightly different from delete tag. If we don't if our code contains any errors or it will be not acceptable and it is no longer used, then we'll be use async tag, and this is similar to this delete tag, del. So this is one. Next, script. What is script? Script is nothing but it is used to define the client side script. Okay. Section. What is section means? It is the section document of such as chapters, headers, footers, or any other scenarios. Okay. Small. What is small means? It is used to set small font sizes. It decreases, increases by 1 centimeter or x large, etc. So this is the source section. Next, small. Small means the small tag in html is used to set the sizes. It decreases the font size. It decreases the font size. Source tag is used to attach multimedia files like audio, video, and pictures. Next, style. What is style? Which is used to style the html, helps us design on the page. This is the style. Next, t. In t we have table is used in many various ways like to implement it, and we'll also understand it usage through examples. html table is an arrangement of data in the form of rows and columns, or possibly it is a complex structure. Next, t body which means it is used to make the group of same type of content in the body element. td is a tag which is used to define the standard cell in the html table. And template, which means it is used to store html code fragments which can be cloned and inserted in the html document. Okay. Th. What is th means? It is the header tag in html used to set the header cell in the table. Okay. Next, coming to time which means, as you all know, time which is used to display the human readable date and time. Next, title which means it is used to define the title of html document, and it sets the title in the browser. Okay. Next, underline is used to it stands for underline, and it is used to underline the text enclosed in the tags. If ఏదైనా కోడ్ రాసిన tags లో, then it will be underlined by using u. So in we have variable and video. What is variable? Var means variable which is used to specify the variable in a mathematical equation or a computer program. Okay. Video which means html5 video, along with knowing the different ways to add videos or html pages. Next, wbr. What is wbr means? It is a tag which is used to define within the text which is treated as line break by browser. Next, x. In x we have xmp means which is used to create content in letter format. And link tag is used to link external resources such as style sheets or icons to the html document, which is typically placed in the header section. So these are the different tags used in html from a to z. Okay. These are very useful and plays crucial role in html. So html tags helps us to understand the structure, organization of web pages, and making easier. Okay. It is used to improve the accessibility of web pages, making them more usable for users. Okay. html tags play a crucial role in defining the structure and content of web pages. By using html tags, we developers can create web pages html tags, and they also provide a way to add semantic meaning to the web pages for making them more understandable for the users. And it also plays an essential part of web pages web development, and the proper use of vital for creating high quality web pages. These are the things used in html. So that's all for the video. Keep revising and stay consistent with your studies. I hope this video is useful for you for understanding better. If you found it useful, please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Keep learning. Thank you.